Russian coronavirus vaccine Sputnik V is 92% effective in protecting people from coronavirus as per interim trial results. The results were announced by Russia's Sovereign Wealth Fund, Russian Direct Investment Fund on Wednesday, who is backing and marketing the vaccine globally. Sputnik V vaccine is currently undergoing phase 3 testing stage in Belarus, UAE, Venezuela and other countries, while it is in phase 2 to 3 in India. The Indian auto industry witnessed a 35% growth in total production of passenger vehicles, three-wheelers, two-wheelers and quadricycles in October 2020, according to the Society of Indian Automobile Manufacturers. In terms of domestic sales, a total of 3.1 lakh units passenger vehicles were sold in October, registering a growth of 14.19%. The two-wheeler sales also moved to positive with more than 20 lakh units in October this year. The central government has issued a notification bringing digital news platforms, OTT platforms and content providers under the ambit of the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Presently, there is no autonomous body or law regulating digital content. The order will effectively bring OTT platforms such as Netflix, Hotstar and Amazon Prime Video under the ministry headed by Prakash Javadekar. ByteDance owned TikTok is working on a comeback strategy for India and has shortlisted partner firms for legal, policy and advocacy and communications functions. The short video sharing app was banned in India in June after hostilities broke out between India and China. Despite the ban, the company reportedly gave cash bonuses to its 2,000 Indian employees under TikTok and Hilo apps to help them overcome the disruptions due to COVID-19 pandemic. In a major embarrassment for its credentials as a manufacturer of safe cars, India's largest car maker Maruti Suzuki's new entry-level hatchback, Espresso, has scored 0 for adult occupant safety in the latest round of crash tests conducted by UK-based independent body Global NCAP. Launched in October last year, Espresso joins the Hall of Shame with 19 other cars in India, including stablemates Alto, Wagoner, Eco, Swift and Celerio. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Wednesday said that the country is moving from tax terrorism to tax transparency due to the approach of reform, perform and transform. He said rules and procedures are being reformed with the help of technology. PM Modi added that the central government is performing with clear intentions, transforming the mindset of the tax administration while inaugurating Cuttack Bench of Income Tax Appellate Tribunal through video conference.